Guys, today we're going to run the tornado of Chaser Tornado. That's why it's a movie, but I don't want to watch this video. But we're gonna watch this later. We're fine. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, what's that? Wait, what's that? I am the tornado, or I destroy you. Ah! Oh, okay, I'm dead. Wee! I'm running. I give up. Oh god, I'm running away. Oh, that's relaxing. This is the end.